made, which you have done. This is the file. Now let's see what is the difference between the the original file and the one which you have made your file. Okay, first of all, which I can see the difference is about the image, the alignment. Now see, these are the alignment. This is straight alignment which is coming to two different picture. Now here we have this picture is small and this picture is big, so this should be aligned. Okay, it shouldn't be a small, because see, this gap and this gap is a big gap. Okay, so it should be. And one more thing, like here, this is the whole group which you have made. Okay, so you don't need to make it the whole group. Actually, you can just ungroup the whole element, because see, now this is again, some group. Now this background, you have made it one background here. Okay, which is rectangle for the back screen. That is fine, that is perfectly okay. Okay, and then this is the thing. So I'm like, this is fine, no problem. I mean, you have made a group, but at the end, like if you want to change, for example, search bar, so you have to click, and then you can reach it to the text. So this is fine. I don't think so any other correction in that. Yeah, one more thing, I just got it. Like, see here, this is, we have the curve, the full curves. Okay, now here, if you can see, okay, this is the one object. Okay, and this is the second object. Now this is not perfectly masked. Okay, because this picture is, see, circle is here, circle is big and picture is small. So what you need to do it, you just need to increase the picture width. That's it. And then now it's perfectly masked. Okay, that is how. So other things are very pretty much okay. And this is, for example, this is the one. Okay, okay, so here this should be, so it should be tilde edge to edge. Okay, your plans for meal, your plan for meal. Now see here, the plan for meal should be a little bit top. Okay, so I mean, like, there are no any big changes, but nominal changes. Okay, now on the second screen we have this bar, this text. It has rectangle and it has shadow. Now in your case, you have applied the shadow, but you have applied the shadow for this thing as well. Now see, this is also showing the shadow. So here we don't require the shadow. Okay, so now you have made it. Okay, just like that. That's it. Okay, you have given already a shadow to this gray color, and you are applying a little small box there. Okay, so if you will give again a shadow to them, then it will be duplication of shadow. Okay, I'll show you again. Now for example, see, this is the one. Okay, this is the box and this is the one. This is little bit more height, so what I'll do, I'll make it to edge. Okay, so anyhow, the the back box shadow is coming. Now this shadow I don't require it, because anyhow the back shadow is already there, back box shadow is already there, so I have removed that particular shadow. Now it is looking like the same how it was here. Okay, then this, now see here, we are again E O and R. Why we need to write it each character? one by one. You can write it like OR, okay, and then you can place it there, right? Because see what is happening here, you have placed O different, R different, so R is big, O is small. See, this is 19 font and this is 16 font. Okay, we are not making like this. See, this is this is also the same size, but for them it's a different font. That is why. Okay, we are not making like that way that we can write the each text differently. Okay, so for example, this is OR and 15 and black color, for example. Okay, Control X, this and this I'm deleting. Same like that. Okay, that is how. I'm not concentrating more on text because the text which you have used, that is not in my system, so it is showing me this symbol that missing font. So I'm not focusing more. Okay, more on I'm focusing on the design which you have made it. Okay, so now this is really, let me just see. Okay, this is very nice. You have used a PNG file, that is perfect. Okay, now here one thing is here. This calories and this line, it is coming e- exactly the same starting point. Now here, this is here and this is different. Okay, so it should be same starting point. Okay, how you can make it the alignment? You can just Control X, Control V, then you can select both. You can make it align. Okay, Control X, Control V, select both, and then align. Okay, one more thing, again see the same here, this line and this line, this is not perfect. See, this is showing plus. Here this is not perfect. Okay, this is big line. So something like that. Okay, that's how. This is perfect. Okay, everything else is perfect. Now let's see the second file. Okay, now here this is solid and we have only border. Okay, so just we need to show a border of that color, and we don't need to show a fill color. Okay, then this is perfect text. This is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, now see, I'll choose one more thing. Now here this and this two different things are there. Okay, now if you don't need to draw a separate box for shadow, so for example this is there, I'm removing it. Okay, I'm just keeping it here. It has also a shadow option. If I mask it, okay, this is mask. Maybe like you have dropped an image in that particular shape. Never mind, but it has shadow option as well. So you can use the shadow option with the shape. Okay, same here. See here, this is one shape and this is the other box. Okay, so you what you have done, you have used that particular box for a shadow. Okay, to show a shadow, so you don't require to do it again. I mean like to do two things for the one reason. Okay, I can just use the same. I can give drop shadow. Hmm, I can use it, and then it will appear. Okay, okay, now here I'll teach you one thing. Now here, if you see this, the image is perfect, but from the down it is happening, it is showing a little bit dark, so text can be easily visible. Here we have the image. Now on the image we have the text. So for the text, if the background is white, so it is not easily readable. One more thing, here we have used the recipe of the day, so it's a one sentence, and you have used the two different sentences. So always use the one sentence. I have teach you that for the one sentence how you can make it. Recipe, then enter of the day. Okay, this is how it will be. Okay, if this space is big, then here we have the arrangement. Okay, so you can arrange it from here. Okay, now how you can make it a dark? So what I'll do, I will draw one shape. Okay, I will draw one shape. Okay, which can be the exact size of it. Okay, I'll hide the border and I'll make it 10. Okay, this is 15. Okay, so I'll make it here 15. Okay, what is the height? Width is 417. This is 417. See here, I'll make it 417. Why it is 417? Why it is showing 417 then? What is this you have done? Okay, so box was like that and you have rotated it. Okay, okay, this is how we cannot do it, my dear. See, what we need to do it here, we need to draw a shape. Okay, 15 is still low. 20. Okay, okay, this is what the shape size. Okay, and this is the image. Okay, okay, now this is the, for example, area where image should come. Let me make it in a center. This is center, and this is what the image. Okay, this is what the image. Okay, I'm making it 0. Okay, no shadow, nothing. Okay, now this is the image. So what I'll do, I'll change this image, but still rotation is not the solution. Okay, that is fine. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll make it this big and mask it. Okay, okay, so this is the shape has been done. So this is showing 0, 344 exact width, exact height, x position, y position, and there is no any rotation. So this is the exact shape. This is how we need to make it. Okay, now what we need to do it, we need to make it, this is the text. Now what is happening, the what are the white background, it should show the perfect one. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll keep it there. Now here I will apply, instead of solid color I will apply linear gradient. Okay, and the end I'll make it dark black color, and here the first also I'll make it dark black color. Now what I'll do, for this top color I'll make it this alpha as a 0. Okay, and then I'll make it little bit like this. Okay, but what happened now, this gradient is above the text. So what I need to do it, I need to make it a back side of the font. So I'll make the position here. So now this is the rectangle and this is the recipe of text. So either I can make it from here to down. Okay, from here to down. Now this is the gradient color. Okay, so now you can manage it anyhow how you want to make it. You can make it. See, you can see the gradient, how the gradient is changing. Okay, now what will happen, what is the use of that? Now this is the gradient. So whatever the image, you know whatever the image will come in a backside, whether it's a white color or any color, always text will appear perfectly. Okay, so this is the trick. Okay, rest of the things are perfect. Icon is perfect, text is perfect, this text is perfect, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine, perfect. Okay, let's see another file, project 3. Okay, now here we have the logo of dumbbells. Okay, and then EALTHO, health. It seems like dumbbells, but it's the pronoun the symbol is like a H, so it's a health, HO, health O. Okay, health O. So here you have made it. What is the difference now? If you can just see it. Now let's see. Let me just copy it and let me just paste it here. Now can you just get the difference? Okay, you got the difference, right? Now see, this is this is what this is what this is what this is box. Okay, so we need to make it small. Here with making, for example, 20, the height will be 3. Then I'm making this touch, this. Okay, this is moving, this is why this is moving. Okay, this touch, touch, and this is touch. Okay, now this is also should be touch. Okay, so this is, okay, this is the, this should be 26, should be